it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got an unboxing of this month's LookFantastic beauty box. So yes, today's video is an unboxing of June's LookFantastic beauty box. I think I've maybe seen the box design. I think it's maybe a more patterned design. I can't remember what the sneak peek was. I know I wasn't very impressed with last month's box. Really love the hand cream though, really love the hand cream. So anyway, without further ado, let's just open it and let's see what we've got this month. Woo. Okay, so here is the box. It feels like it's a very kind of eco style box. It's kind of got that whole cardboard look about it and feel. Although this looks like cardboard, it's actually print. It's a little bit crazy. So yeah, the box is pretty. So that's this month's box. And then inside, as ever, we get our little booklet. It's got lots of different articles about bits and bobs, and it's also got a little bit about the box and the products that are inside. And then inside are our products neatly packaged. So I will just peel back and give you a quick sneak peek of this month's products. Ooh, almost forgot, there's always a quote on the box. This month it says, "Be kind to the planet and it will be kind to you." Okay, so this month's theme is elements. So let's just delve in and see what our products are, right? Okay, so the first product we get is from Dr. Lip and it is a tint. So this is the Superfood Red Radish Pigment Tint. It's a hydrated tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as, hi Luna, moisture as well as a pop of colour with 100% natural ingredients for a softer pout. So nice little one to start with. A tinted moisturiser on lips is always good, especially with summer and things, you know, you just need something like that. Okay, the next product is from eSpa. Is this the product we should have got last month? I can't remember. We should have got a product from them last month in last month's box, but it wasn't included, and instead we got some little non-heard of brand. Luna's at my feet destroying the box, if you can't already hear. So what's this? It's a 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. Hang on. So this is a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind-to-skin ingredients to replenish, protect and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturise for eyes that appear refreshed and useful. Always like products for my eyes. We do tend to get a lot of them in these beauty boxes, but it's always good to get. This is just a 7ml one, so it's not huge by any means, but I think this might be the product we should have got last month. I think. Next we have a product from Rituals. Rituals is a brand that I really like, so that's a good one. And it is the Ritual of Jing, and it is a mild body scrub with sacred lotus and jujube? I don't know. So what is it? It says an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience, formulated with active ingredients that are suitable even on the most sensitive skin areas such as neck and cleavage. It's got in there a sacred lotus, jujube, shea butter and coconut oil, so that should be really nice. Rituals is a Rituals is a brand that I've had, well, everything that I've had from them I've really enjoyed, so this is a good one to get. The next product is from So Eco and it is their Gentle Facial Buffer. So what is it? An exfoliating pad from award-winning environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types. This pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products. You just dampen this with warm water and pop on your favourite body wash. Okay, body wash. And rub all over your body in circular motions. Yeah, this says it's a facial buffer. LookFantastic, what are you doing recently? Your booklets never match what the products are. So this is a facial buffer, but it's telling you to rub it on your body with some body wash, which I'm sure you can do, but it would seem it's meant for your face. I think I'll use it on my face. it feels like it's a gentle kind of thing, if you know what I mean. It doesn't feel harsh, so I think it is probably more of a facial one, and LookFantastic just made a bit of a error. Okay, the next product in this month's box is from Philip Kingsley, and it is their Finishing Touch Polish Serum. So, what is it? A frizz-fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair, packaged in a bioplastic bottle, made from sugarcane. 100% recyclable with manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. So, a nice little product. It's got 20 mils. Again, not a small product though. And our final product this month, and now I remember this was our sneak peek from last month. It's from Balance Me, and it is their pre and probiotic cleansing milk. So it says it's a lightweight, milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup, for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, brighter, thanks to the signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier while still exfoliating. It's got in there salicylic acid and willow bark. So it's a nice little travel size. Okay, so this is the products in this month's box. And what are my thoughts? LookFantastic has always been, I've always said, my favourite subscription box. I've always loved it. Last month, they kind of let me down a little bit. Just didn't feel great. You didn't get the products we were supposed to get, and it just felt like cheap products we got almost. And this month, it feels like we've got sample products almost. They are very, very small products this month, very small. So we got a lip tint from Dr. Lip. That's, you know, it's nice. Rituals body scrub. Rituals, love Rituals. That's a nice size. And it's probably the only decent size item we've got. But again, it's a body one, so you're going to use a lot more of it. The Espa eye cream. Hopefully that's nice. I like a good eye cream. They are a decent brand. Again, quite small, quite little tiny thing. They're useful if we're traveling again, but yeah, very small. The facial or body buffer, whatever the heck it is. It's a nice little thing to have. I love different skincare tools, but again, it's not like a expensive skincare tool. It's something that I could pick up from my local body care or Superdrug for just a couple of pounds. Then we've got a little serum from Philip Kingsley. Again, very, very small. And then we've got this Balance Me cleansing milk. Again, very, very small. These are the type of sizes that I would have expected in when I used to get the Feel Unique pick and mix service. So a little disappointed in that respect. It's nice to have travel size things. You know, I've got a trip to Disney coming up, so I can start putting things away for it. So that's useful in that respect. But yeah, not blown away. Eco kind of elements to the box. I kind of get it, you know. They've got sugarcane packaging. That's useful. That's interesting. Yeah, so they're nice products. They're nice brands. At least I know the brands. But yeah, not blown away again. Not blown away again. So I'd be interested to know what you guys think. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this month's box. If you're a subscriber, are you happy? If you're not a subscriber, does it make you want to subscribe? Let me know what you think, because I don't often reflect everybody's opinions on these boxes, so I'm genuinely quite interested to know what you guys think. So before I go, I will show you guys the sneak peek for next month's box. Fingers crossed it's something good. Okay, so let's find it. It's right at the back of the book. Ooh, okay. They're redeeming themselves. Next month, we get an Elemis product. I love Elemis. Elemis is a fab brand, and it is their Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. It's only a 20ml sample though, which is this size. So it's not a huge one, but still Elemis products are more expensive. This is worth £22. The Superfood products I've had from them previously are really, really nice. In fact, I don't think I've ever tried anything from Elemis that I haven't really, really liked. So this is a priming moisturiser to give smooth, radiant complexion. It's got in there kombucha, fermented ginger, green tea, various things. You can use it as a moisturiser, a primer, or a natural base, apparently. So no, I'm glad to have that in next month's box. I just hope the rest of the products live up. And I'm definitely still excited for next month. Don't get me wrong, I know I keep moaning about these boxes, but I do like them. They are a little treat every month and it's nice to try different brands. Like I say, last month I complained, but I think I found my most favourite hand cream ever, so it's not all bad. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I do these unboxings every month. I've also got a glossy box unboxing coming very soon and various other bits and bobs. So please make sure you stick around and check out my channel if you haven't already. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye bye.